I'm not sure where you got this perception, Mariana, but what I will say is you need both. You cannot depend on one over the other. I'll tell you why. Social media platforms like Facebook, X, which used to be Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, all those social media platforms, what do they all have in common? What they have in common is they don't, well, not they don't, but they have traffic that you don't control. They have traffic coming onto their platforms, but that is not traffic that you control. Very important to understand this. Whereas with a list in your autoresponder for email marketing, you do have complete control over that list in your autoresponder. It's traffic that you control. Now, why do I emphasize that it's about traffic? What's the significance of that? Well, for social media platforms, when I say it's traffic that you don't control, these platforms have their rules, they have their policies in place. And as you're seeing with Facebook, they're changing their rules, they're changing their policies, in which it's becoming much more challenging to market on those platforms. And that's traffic that you don't have control over. You don't own Facebook, you don't own Instagram, you don't own X, you don't own TikTok. Whereas for email marketing, when you have your list, that's traffic you do have control over. It's open season. You can market anything you want to your list, and also continuing to build that know, like, and trust relationship with your list. That's something we're thinking about.